Hello, family. Today we're going to make no-bake chocolate cookies with oatmeal and peanut butter. I want chocolate. Let's make cookies. All right, we're going to start with we're going to start cooking this. 1/2 cup butter, which is 1 stick, I do believe. I always have to check. Yep, 2 sticks is 1 cup, so 1 stick is 1/2 cup. See, who says you would never use math and fractions in your life? I don't know. My teacher kept telling me I was going to, but I didn't believe him. All right, we're going to bring this. We got to start cooking this stuff. So I got it on medium heat. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa. Okay. 2 cups of sugar. Okay. And 1/2 cup of milk. It's pretty easy. Okay, we have the cocoa in there, the sugar, the milk, and the butter. We have to bring it to a boil slowly, so we got to turn it down. This is the part that is the hardest part, is the waiting. Waiting for the pot to boil. I kind of got it on medium low, so. I love Saturdays. It's also it's a day of a lot of work for me too, Saturdays. Because I work full time during the week. So Saturdays is my time to make videos, which usually I'm making 2 videos, which is, I'm on my 2nd video right now. So the Hawaiian chicken video that will be up eventually, and this one were all made in the same day. That's why I'm wearing the same shirt. This is I ordered this. See? Yeah, there's a website that has these t-shirts and other things that all the proceeds go to the Addams family to help with their costs. So yeah, I did cleaned the fish tanks and got everything else done. The laundry is waiting to go into the dryer. It's just, those weekend stuff. Cooking. I usually prepare my meals for the week somewhat too. Usually during the week though, I usually just have a salad and I put like chicken or tuna or like beans. I like to put black beans in my salad or chili beans. And sometimes I put it in a soft shell tortilla. So I have my salad it's like a salad taco. But yeah, usually that's what I usually have during the week. Sometimes if there's leftovers from the weekend, because what you see I cook on the videos, I usually give half of it away, and then I either freeze parts of it or I eat on a little bit of it in a couple days. I can usually eat on it. Well, actually, it's like because Sundays is when my friend comes and we usually eat what I've cooked, and then I send half of it home with her, and then I keep the other half. But my husband usually doesn't eat what I eat, so I usually make him his meal too, depending on what he wants. And he's not hard to please. He's very happy eating cream of chicken soup, hard-boiled eggs, sometimes sandwiches. So he's not hard to please. But I also I munch on a lot of different nuts and stuff like cashews, almonds, walnuts, pecans. I snack on those throughout the day, and then usually have a smoothie, and sometimes I'll crave like peanut butter toast, so I'll have that. But by the time I'm done working, I usually don't like to eat until like 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And by the time I'm done with working, my brain is so tired from thinking so hard from work that I just don't want to cook anything. So that's why I usually just throw together a salad, something simple. Or like if I have leftovers, I'll just warm that up. But I do like my chocolate snack. I always like to have a chocolate snack in the evening. And I usually have 2 of those little, miniature Hershey bars. But I had to order some more. I found you can order on Amazon, you can order more in bulk. So, because to buy a big bag of a bunch of miniature candy bars, it doesn't do any good because end up throwing away or giving away, We only really like the Hershey's, so I don't mind the Mounds bars, but you don't get very many of those in an assorted bag. I should check out a candy website, and maybe I can buy in bulk the ones we really like. I also have my thermometer here because I want it to get to like 234 to 239. I got the recipe right here. So yeah, we'll see. Once it starts boiling, and then we boil it about a minute or until it gets to the temperature. And then we will add the oatmeal, the peanut butter, and the peanut butter and the vanilla. Well, it looks like it wants to start boiling. I want it to come to a hard boil here. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, look at there. See? The watch pot does boil. All right, now we're going to stick this in here. And we're going to wait till it gets to like 234. Yep, it's done. Now we're going to turn it off, take it off the heat. Okay. I'm going to move this over here so you can see it for the next step. Now we're going to add three cups of oatmeal. 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, now we're going to stir this together. Okay, now we're going to put it on a cookie sheet. Oh, my dog is happy. She's going bye-bye. Okay, I'm going to get my cookie sheet. All right, now we're just going to put these on the... just like this. Okay, now I'm going to I'm just going to try to make them, try to form them a little bit here. You know, because nothing better than a good looking cookie, right? And make them in a circle. Yeah, they're hardening already, so that's a good sign. I like that. These are really good. It's good for chocolate craving. And plus you get the oatmeal and the peanut butter, so not bad. All right, we're going to let those cool down and then we'll have one. Time for a cookie. So look at that. They're very good. Let's try it. These for me are very addicting. So I gotta be careful. Yum. Take one. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.